Hey everyone, today I'm in the back of my 2024 Tahoe and I'm going to show you how to access and use the tire jack. You're just going to come over here to this left panel and there's a little handle here. You can just take this and it pops off and folds off. You set that aside and your tire jack is actually right here with this blue knob here. So it'll be pressed up in here to keep it tight. So to release it, you'll just come in here and turn this knob to the left until there's enough slack to pull it out. Once you have it out, you'll notice it's got this knob here for your tire stops. So we'll just unscrew this. And you can pull off this little hook, and now you have your jack. So these tire stops go under your tires to prevent the car from rotating on accident. And then you have your jack here that's just gonna go up and down by turning this knob. All right, then the last thing you'll need is actually underneath this back bottom panel here, and you'll have your lug wrench and extension bars wrapped up into this case right here. So you'll need this to reach under your car and rotate the jack up and down, as well as you'll use two of these connectors to reach in and to lower your spare tire from underneath the vehicle. All right, so when it's time to put everything back, even though you just did this, if you're like me, you'll forget how it all goes back together. So just showing you how it works real quick. Take your two tire stops and we'll nest them inside each other like that and sit them down. And then I'll take my hook here and I'll hook it around the jack, and then I'll sit this all in place, and your hook will pop through that hole in the tire stops. And then you can take your there and screw that on until it's tight again. And it kind of just sits there like that. And then when you go to put it back in, you're going to want to have your blue knob facing that way. And what I do is there's a notch down here, a little tab that will go into this hole and let it sit. And then you'll have to stroke the jack up some to get it to fit in there and not slide around. So like I said, I'll just sit it on that notch, lean it in, and then you can stroke it up until everything fits in there tight so it's not bouncing around back there. And then lastly, we'll just put the cover back on. So it's just got two tabs up here on the top that you'll slide in first and then push around the sides. In the bottom, you'll hear everything snap back in place. And there you go. So if that helped you out, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know below. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next project.